Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the moon phase on your Swatch X Omega watch, so the MoonSwatch. This is going to work for all the versions that feature the moon phase alone. So the white Snoopy, the black Snoopy, the super blue moon, and the latest pink released from Swatch. Even if they make future releases with either Snoopy or a moon, right here they have the same movement inside, so the same principle is going to apply. So what you want to do in order to adjust Snoopy is to pull the crown to the last position. You will be able to see that the seconds hand, so this subdial, is going to stop. This is because the movement has a hacking. And now what you want to do is to press the button pusher. Now if you press one by one, each press, so each individual press, is going to adjust the moon phase by 1 hour. So if you want to go and move one day, you will need to press it 24 times. Now this is going to be the individual press. Now the second option is to press and hold the button, and the moon phase is going to rotate a lot faster. Now when you press and hold, there are going to be 3 different speeds. It is going to be the first one, which is going to be very slow, then medium, and then it is going to move 5 days at a time. So let's do that so that you can see. So I'm going to press and hold. As you can see, slow, medium, and now it is going to start with the 5 days movement. So let's try once again so that you can see even better. So press and hold, slow, faster, and now it is going to switch to the fastest speed. So let's say that I am very close. Now I can use the micro adjustments, so the presses, the individual presses, in order to move the Snoopy or the moon, in order to adjust the moon phase and to arrive at the correct position. Now you might wonder how you can actually know the correct position of the Snoopy or the moon on your moon phase MoonSwatch, and I'm going to show you that as well. So what you want to do is to go to the Swatch website, to your exact model, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the information about the watch, and at the end you'll be able to see the day, the current day, and also the correct position of Snoopy. So this is how the Snoopy should look on the black version, and you can also look at the white version. So you will have a dedicated page for the white, and you'll be able to see it either with the lights on, or you can also see, for example, how it would look on the 14th of April and so on. So this is how you would see on the Snoopy. Then we also have the one with the pink version, so Mission to the Pink Moonphase. And as you can see, if I go all the way down, I will be able to see how to adjust the moon phase, as you can see right here. So I have each day. You can also see it in the light, so the UV light as well. And also if I keep on going, I can actually see how the moon phase should look in each day. As you can see, I am now in May, so I can even go backwards and look at April. So this is how you can actually know. And this is the version for the super blue moon. And as you can see, if I go all the way down, I will be able to see the correct position for the 7th of April, and I can keep on going, and you need to perfectly align it so that it matches the position on the website. You can use this tutorial in order to set your mission to the pink moon phase. So that is how you know the correct position of Snoopy or the moon on your Swatch X Omega, so the MoonSwatch with the moon phase complication. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. I also have a full guide on how to replace the watch strap, so how to upgrade to a rubber strap just like this one, how to replace the watch battery, how to use the chrono function, and a bunch of other tutorials for different watches. So in case you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.